Hi and welcome back to Taslima Maya Art. Thank you for being here. Today on the Creative Art Collective I have something rather special for you. I'm going to be doing a number of smaller videos of mini resin projects I've done over a period of a year. Some with friends, some with family and some with the kids. A warm thank you to my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members. Thank you for supporting my channel. I use a number of different resin products from different resin companies in these little mini videos. So if you like anything, you can find a discount code down in my description box below.
Hi, I'm Safi. Hi, I'm Sawa. Hi, we are going to be making some pendants with Mummy. We're going to show you how to make necklaces. First we need some open bezels.
And what shape is that?
Teardrop.
Brilliant. Is that yours?
Yeah.
And which one is Sarah having? Heart?
Heart.
Brilliant. I think I'm going to have the oval one. Okay, I've got the silver and you've got the gold, haven't you? Yeah? Okay, and we'll do some 2 extra ones. And what are we going to put in them then, girls?
Flowers. Flowers.
Dried flowers. And we've got loads of dried flowers
And
here.
I want your rose. I want that red flower.
Okay, we'll pick them out in a moment. But what else do we need to make the these pendants?
Sticky tape.
Sticky tape, yay!
Glitter.
Maybe some glitter, yeah.
I don't really want any glitter.
Okay, you can choose what you want.
Okay.
So let's get the sticky tape out.
These.
I'll
Pearls.
show them what they are.
Okay. These are what I'm talking
You
about.
want them in there?
Yes!
Okay. Right, first we
No,
get the sticky
actually,
tape
but
out.
we can use them.
First we get the
For
sticky
yours
tape
or
out.
flowers. Sticky tape.
And we need it as long as the pendants, okay? So let's get some scissors and cut this for a start.
Here's some sticky tape. And we're going to put some lollipop sticks on each end.
Okay, go on then.
Here?
Yep, no. Let's put it right in the middle. Like that. Yeah?
Yay!
And then one on this side.
Me. Okay. So you can do this one.
Can you reach, baby?
No. I need to stand on my tippy toes.
Oh, baby. There we
Baby
go.
little.
There we've got them. Then we're going to very gently pick up our little bezels and put them there. Let's just Sarah do her first one. You're going to put them straight onto there, okay?
Middle?
No, not in the middle, just on the end.
No.
Okay.
Straight.
Straight ideally, love. Let's put them straight so we can see what we're doing.
Mine next to Sarah's?
Yes. Remember, stick to your fingers too. We've got to fit all of them on, so we have to actually try and...
All?
Yeah.
My turn.
Here, love. Hang on a minute, let me move this one along a bit. And go, next one.
This one won't fit well yet, so I need to do it sideways.
Okay.
So here's some dried flowers, and I'm gonna choose one for my teardrop pendant.
So which one would you like, Sophia?
I like this one.
Oh, okay. So I'll just get that for you. It's very delicate.
Okay.
We need more flowers, don't we?
Yes.
And we're just going to have to pop it in there. Okay, we'll do that in a minute. So that's yours. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So we need to then get some resin. And this is UV resin. It's Let's Resin UV resin. They sent me this. And we will try and pop some into here. Okay, I'll do this for you because
Okay.
just enough.
That looks fun. I was just in your dog.
And then what we're going to do is get a little stick here because it's not activated yet. So you'll have to leave the room when I activate it. You have to poke that around gently.
Yeah.
Very gently. So poke it around so it goes
In
all the way.
which one?
The resin, you have to move it around so it fits all of the different
Sour.
areas. Just push it around. Just push it in the corner. All around. Keep doing it. Yeah, that's it. Keep moving it around until it goes to the edges. So you want it to go all the way around. So you can go around in circles if you want. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you want it to go everywhere.
Done.
Good girl.
Let
Right.
me have a turn.
You'll do yours in a minute, love. We'll just do this one first and then you can have it go on yours. So we want to make sure there's no resin leaking out. We also want to make sure there's no bubbles. Okay? Right, that's perfect. Now we're going to pop this over here. We mustn't touch any resin ever. And then we're just going to pick up our flower.
Can I put it in?
You can if you want to. Let me help you pick it up. Hold it very gently because it'll break, it will. So here you go. Hold it gently. And you gotta pop it oh goodness, love.
Oh,
You
no.
don't want to stick it to the sellotape. I'll help you. It's a little bit fiddly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which way round do you want it? This way?
Fiddle. Yes. Like
I don't
that,
know
like
if that
that,
will
like
fit.
that, like that. And can we also put some gold leaf in it?
You want gold leaf in there?
Yeah.
There we go. So see, that's gone in. So we're going to get this little tool and just make sure it's definitely covered. But we don't want to damage any of the petals because dried flowers are very, very, very delicate.
Can I go get the gold leaf?
Yep, go and do it then. And then Sarah will have a go at hers then while you're getting it.
Sarah, which ones are you doing? Heart. That sounds fun. What flowers are you doing?
Here, Sarah, what flowers would you like?
Rose.
Rose. So did you want this one in yours?
I can't find
Beautiful.
the gold leaf. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's pop
No, your rose head.
the rose head. Okay, I'll chop the whole rose head off for you. Yes, what do you want in your heart pendant?
Rose.
One of these?
Yeah, not just stem.
Well, we'll try and see if the stem fits. We might have to cut it. What about this one?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can fit that into your heart one. Like, which side is the nicest? Okay, so first of all, before we do that, let's see if it fits first of all. Oh no, we need to cut the stem a bit. So do you want to cut the stem off a bit? Tiny little bit here. Let's see if it fits now. Yeah, I think it will fit now. So what we need to do is stick a little bit of resin in your heart. Just make sure that's pushed down. And you're going to poke the resin around just like your sister did.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's get the poking.
Can I do it?
Yes, of course you can, but do it very slowly. You don't want to go around the over the sides. Go on then, let's move it around. Good girl. Very good. Have you done this before?
No.
First time for everything. Good job the doors and windows are all open, so we're nearly outdoors here, really, aren't we? So you can hurry up and do this, and when I cure it, you can leave the room. Mummy will wear a respirator to make sure I'm safe and keep my air purifier on as well. That's it. Very good work. No air bubbles. That's really good.
On you little bit.
It's alright. Okay, that's enough, love. That's enough. It'll pop by itself because I'll spray it in a minute. Pop those bubbles.
That looks amazing, Sarah.
And you're going to chase all those bubbles out.
Yeah. A coconut is a song, okay? Okay.
There we go.
A coconut. Stop.
Oh, goodness. Let's put this on.
She's a runaway flower.
Runaway flower.
It's red.
I know, we're going to get out of here now.
I'm gonna
Off you go, out you go.
But what about you?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'm just going to leave now as well. I'll put the top bit of resin in and I'll be done. Bits are gone. So I'm just going to top this up with a bit of resin and we should be fine. With any luck. Let's just make sure there's no air behind this flower.
Whose did you start with?
Yours.
Oh,
I'm just putting it in, see?
wait, are you starting on the heart?
Oh yeah, the heart. That's not yours, is it?
I haven't got
I'm sure you want this stuff in there.
Yes.
I think it looks nice without
A
it.
little bit.
Bloody hour.
Yeah.
There, I've just been smushing it around a bit.
That's fabulous. That's perfect. Now you're going to get one of these sticks, and then we'll just make sure there's no airs in this one, and just swish it around in there. So make sure go right around the edges, because sometimes bubbles hide in the edges. You know,
Okay.
they hide around the edges, and you've got to try and disperse them. And we will probably spray it a little bit with some 99% rubbing alcohol, just to release those up.
Well-being, innit? You should host well-being workshops or something.
I know, I was thinking that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and there it is, it's curing. And
So good.
add some on the other one as well, and we could top it up with the clear if you need to, or you can add more to what you spray it with alcohol again. I would. Yeah. Oh goodness.
Oh my god, that is stunning.
I love it. Is it sticky, love? Is it sticky? Because if it is, put it under the
Tiny
lamp.
bit,
Yeah,
yeah.
put it under the lamp quickly. Right.
Yeah.
Try not to touch it too much, otherwise you get fingerprints in it. No.
Sorry.
Oh, it is stunning though. Gosh,
That is so pretty, well done.
you are very creative, both of you. Wow, I love it. It's beautiful. You're doing good.
That's probably deep enough.
So guys, these are some of the things that you could be making with me. So pendants and bookmarks. I don't know if you can see that. There's loads of different bookmarks here that I've made in the past. Badges, earrings. Oh, there's another pendant here. So this is a resin pendant. So these keychains. Really nice and easy to make, and you can choose your own fillers and everything, and colours. There's loads of stuff in here. There's those earrings I had earlier. I'm not sure where I put them. Yeah, we've got these double-sided ones as well. Double-sided moon ones. And a big box of goodies to go through and use stuff. And some temporary tattoos and other stuff we could use. Lots of different fillers, lots of glitters. And then workshop, I've been doing coasters as well. So lots of little knickknacks, made these little trays. Got loads of shells and things. So you can pretty much make anything you want. You can make jewellery, or you can make coasters, or you could probably make, I mean, there's this jigsaw thing as well that I made. That's just a painting by numbers thing I'm working on at the moment. There's these two pendants that my daughter's just made. They've just with resin and dried flowers. And there's this one, my favourite. Stunning. Safi made that. Lots of bits you can put in your jewellery pieces. We've got loads of dried flowers somewhere, we're not sure where they are. So you've got loads of little things you can put into your jewellery as well. And these little pendant things. Tons of stuff you can use. So yeah, time to have some fun. So mixing.
Is that going to be too white, or is that going to be alright?
It's up to you. I think if you want more, put more in. It's totally up to you. That's going to fall over, so stick it on the mat or something.
Oh, stop.
That's perfect.
You come back.
Can I use the same one?
Yeah, you can use,
No, it's not that one.
use that
This
one.
one.
Yeah, you can use the same one. It's only got clear on it. That's look cool. Actually, Yep. So very gently, because it's hot, it's a bit
Just
floppy
settles
still,
on the family.
but it doesn't matter, it should peel out hopefully. Hopefully this should not be sticky. If you see any sticky bits, put it back under the light. Lift it right up and turn it around, and we'll have a look and see if it's cured underneath. I'll just loosen the edges normally and it will come out somehow. Very good. Pop it out of that little socket thing. Turn it around a minute and put it flat. I want to see if it's sticky a bit. If it's sticky, then yeah, a bit sticky means it needs to go under the light again. Chuck it under the light if you can.
As it is, or?
Yep, no. Go ahead.
Put it back in there?
No. Just put it into the light.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, or maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. Out there looking for someone like you.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. Do leave me a comment down below to tell me what you thought. And up next on the Creative Art Collective is a lovely Patty from Let's Pour with Patty, followed by Casey from CWV Artistry, and Sheldon will be back shortly. Bye for now.